up, guys? Ozzy HPP Racing. I got an update on this car. I promised you guys we were going to do this build video, and I'm going to put it up now. It wasn't a 68, it was a 69, so actually I was right when people were trying to correct me on the 68, and I got that from the actual owner. So this car's got that deep blue pearl. It's a metallic also as well. This car was put on a rotisserie, went all the way around. This car has got 100% complete. Check this out. We got a 430 cubic inch LSX motor. He's got the fast intake. We had an HP tuner. This is what we're doing. This car comes with long tube headers, everything on. There is no expense spared. You could even see his hinges. These hinges, no joke, these hinges are about $1,500 or something each. He did not spare any expense. So in the computer and the HP tuners, it wasn't HP tuner's fault. It was actually the computer. We had a little bit of issues with it. So he decided, screw it, let's put a Holly Terminator. Since I've spared no expense on this car, I want to get it done right, so we got it done for him. We put it on. Car makes close over 500 horsepower. It's a 4-speed 480. It's got the lock car. It's badass little shifter. I'll show you that in a second. We'll just go through the car right here so you can see how everything was done here. This car is gorgeous, guys, from top to bottom, and there is not one spot on this car that was expensive. We got the suspension, we got brakes, Willwood brakes, badass suspension, coilovers, everything on this car. Come check this out. We come to the interior. I'm not perfect with my Italian, but it's called Pele Fresco Cinnamon. I don't know if that's how you say it. It's supposed to be called fresh cinnamon, but it is an Italian interior. I got it wrapped right now because I really don't even want to get this thing dirty. But check this out, from the gauges, everything on this car. Like I said, right now it's got a little cheesy of a radio system, so we're going to upgrade that with a kicker system. So we're going to put a kicker system in it. We're going to put the subs, the speakers, the subwoofer, amp, everything on this car. We're going to build a box for it for the back. It's not done yet, and I'm going to do that on the update video so you can see how this car is going to end up turning out. But I'm going to turn it on for you so you see how it sounds. This thing is incredible. Let me get this started for you here. On the back lights, I know it's a little loud right now and the audio might not be perfect, but I want to show you how these lights, we also put the sequential lights on it, so it goes all the way around. There's about 3 different ways we can set these lights. That's the way he likes it with the sequential. You can see how bright they are. He wanted them real bright. Well, let's check this out over here. You can see your air fuel. We put it in the glove compartment. I'm going to give it gas so y'all see it. Just like your Holly, you'll get all your air fuel. You'll get everything in this car so you can see it. We put it in there nicely. We use a little bit of Velcro so that, you know, we're gonna hide this up a little bit. We're trying to complete the car right now, but as you can see, keep everything there. We got the low car shifter I was telling you about. This thing is stunning. This is the same thing I'm gonna do in my 1978 Trans Am. As you can see here, it's a real nice shifter. We made the leather match. It works with the 480. This car originally came, obviously not a 480, but we had to beef it up so it would work. So I'm going to do that in my Trans Am. I'll show you a couple pictures of that in the video. We're using a Speedtech suspension with the full frame just like this. We're using the Willwood shocks. We're going to do the coilovers, the Viking shocks with the coilovers dual adjustable. Kind of the same. I don't know if I could afford the Italian leather. I might have to use some type of American leather, maybe a cow from Texas. I don't know, we'll see. But I just hope you guys enjoy this. So, at the end, watch what we got going on here. So we talked about the paint a little bit. This is a blue pearl metallic. Like I said earlier, this car's been a complete rotisserie. When we come over here, you can see we got a huge tire on this thing. We got the US mag rims. We got a 335 tire. The only way we were able to fit that, we got a 9-inch in this car with the mini tubs. This car, like I said, is completely done. With this kind of beef on a Nitto 555R, it's gonna dead hook. 500 horsepower to the ground. As soon as we hit this car, when we drove it around earlier, you give it gas, it feels like a brand new Camaro or something else. The suspension, everything feels great. But when you hit it, those tires make such a difference. That 335's got a lot of beef on the ground, and boom, there we go. Go to the trunk and you can see we're gonna put that kicker box. We're gonna come over here. Even the trunk, guys, check this out. Even the trunk is done. But you can see there has been everything on this car has been done. So we're gonna build that system in here. Kicker already, we basically ordered this stuff a couple weeks ago. It's already here. They're fast as hell. Everything got here quick. Now we're gonna put the system in it. And as usual, guys, I'm gonna show you a part 2 on this video. So this is just the beginning of the car and the build. When I get done, we're gonna show you the dyno on this video. We're gonna show you the way the system. We're gonna show you everything. But when we go out there, I'll show you how it drives, how it sounds after it's complete. That'll be part 2. I hope you enjoy this part 1. As usual, guys, subscribe to the channel, give us a like, hit the notifications. And as usual, guys, give us some info. Anything you've seen in the shop, anything you don't like. For instance, I didn't like this, I didn't like that car, I didn't like what you said. Just tell me, I'm not a snowflake. Let me know so we can bring you the content you all want to see. See y'all later, guys.